Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into something super practical. How to check your debit card balance in 2025. Whether you're a tech-savvy millennial or just someone who wants to keep tabs on their finances, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. With advancements in technology, checking your balance has become easier and more secure than ever before. Let's jump right in. First off, the most convenient way is through your bank's mobile app. Most banks have updated their apps by 2025 to include biometric security like fingerprint or facial recognition. Simply download or open your bank's app, log in with your credentials, and navigate to the Accounts or Balance section. You'll see your current debit card balance displayed instantly. Pro tip: enable notifications so you're alerted about any transactions in real time. If you prefer the web, head to your bank's website. By 2025, many sites will use enhanced encryption for safer access. Go to the login page, enter your username and password, and after two-factor authentication, click on your debit card details. Boom! Your balance is right there. Make sure you're on a secure network to avoid any risks. For those who like things old school, you can still use an ATM. Insert your debit card, enter your PIN, and select the Balance Inquiry option. Your balance will appear on the screen, and you might even get a printed receipt. Remember, ATMs are widely available, but always choose ones in well-lit, secure locations. Another option is calling your bank's customer service. Dial the number on the back of your card, follow the automated prompts, and verify your identity. A representative will tell you your balance over the phone. This method is great if you're not near a device, but it's less instant than digital options. In conclusion, checking your debit card balance in 2025 is straightforward and secure with these methods. Always double-check for any unauthorized transactions and keep your account info private. If you found this helpful, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more finance tips, and let us know in the comments which method you use most. Thanks for watching. Stay smart with your money.